There's no commotion, man. Just a little misunderstanding, huh?
But this misunderstanding seems like it has your mother in a very violent mood.
Oh no, officer. What happened you see is intruder was around the back and I chased them away.
There was no blasted intruders. She knows these hoodlums. They come up here every day and disturb me.
What that from Mr. Weddy? What that from Mr. Weddy? Eh? Why you don't mind your own business? Eh? Why you don't stay there and steer to other people's private business?
This is my community. I have been living here for over 15 years. I don't know where you were living before you came here. But obviously, you're not used to decent coexistence.
What? Where you just say a while ago with a burn? Where you just really say a while ago? Because where I come from, people don't take that.
When you mess with a Jamaican bus driver,
Get off the bus! Get off! Get off my bus! Come on! Get down for the front buckler bus, eh, boy? Oh no! Eh, boy! Come back, boy. You getting black. You want to eat chicken and ram in this hot sun, boy? All the provision will in to spoil, boy. But you worse than bumbuckler bun and coat, boy. You are traitor to Grenada, boy. You sell out Grenada, boy. One to you, boy. All the fig and blood you outside, boy. But yo, I'm blocking you, boy. I'm making sure I block you for that. You misleading the generation. You moving like you're in foreign in Grenada. By going some blood clot fig, boy.
In a party, and some girl come wind up on me, I'm wind up back on the girl. And everybody, I go on like, me not being for wind up on the girl. So with the blood bumbo clad, what the girl do in an adult party, the girl, them say is a girl. Them girl supposed to be home in her mother's place. Where you give me take, right? Me not play for fun. You see it? But, sorry, and you see the police.
when she says catch me,
You have some girl named Gay. You have some man say them are not gay. But the girl where you just fuck last night are gay. Cause the legs man said that them are gay. So just fuck a girl. I'm a fast kid, your boy. Come here, whatever.
I'm bleaching this still. You see it? I'm bleaching. It's a those AC done lack of France sun jump out at night. And I'm bleaching this. I'm always using a bleaching product still. I use soap and everything there.
Load!
When you have a lot of girls, keep them, because the moment you give away all the girls and decide to have one, the dynamic change, the power dynamic flip on you. You ain't got no more say, because women react. If you have option, your woman will behave herself. If you don't have any option, she'll start taking her options. Real mad dynamic are going with women. Just keep them on their toes by having many girls.
Well, I'm going to pick up my DNA results now. But I make sure just that way I won't be able to have a funeral in case I know my youth.
What can you hold in your left hand, but not in your right?
Why I know? I want him holding on my left hand.
What that?
My gun just before my lighter. So I'm holding on my left hand.
Yeah.
You understand, brother?
Yeah.
That's how it said.
You know what I'm to you?
Then what me tell us when them touch your breast, what you have to say?
Don't.
And when them touch your vagina, what you have to say?
Stop. But he touched it two of them one time, so I said don't stop.
They know that's why she breed, man. They know that's why. Play, we can't on your son.
Let's roll. Go, Russell.
Hello, and welcome to the International Bank of the Caribbean. Please tap in your personal identification number. Oh, so it's you. And which service do you require? You have insufficient funds in this account. Please try another service. You're deaf? You have insufficient funds in this account. Please try another service. Look! I didn't want to embarrass you in front of your lady friend, but if you insist, you now have no money. Donza, corn, dash, dollars, pesetas, yen. And you didn't know, so don't look so surprised because I sent you a statement 2 days ago. Now move and go along, you're broke. Hey! What? You forget something. Pick it up, your poser. It's no good to you anyway.
Have a nice day. Excuse me. Your dress is stuck in your knickers and your knickers is push up in your bottom. Two pieces of chicken and chips. £2.49. Nah. Make that 3 piece. Man's belly have to get full, you know what I mean? £2.99. How much is corn on the cob? 99p. What about apple pie? £1.07. Then give me a strawberry milkshake. There now. Is there anything else? Give me some spare ribs. We don't do them anymore. Why not, man? People used to like them, you know? It was like you was brushing your teeth, you know what I mean? We don't do them anymore!
Can you hurry up, please? There's people starving back here.
Hey! Chill out, girl! Feisty about you buying food on street. You should be at home cooking food for your man. Yeah, if you was my girl, you'd be in front of the cooker.
If I was your girl, I'd slit me bloody wrist.
If I was your husband, I would cut them for you.
Look it, Salah.
Sarah, put out the gun.
I don't care, then can you piss off?
Girl, I don't know what you're saying right now. You're
Excuse me.
disrespecting me.
That is £5.25.
You don't think I ain't got money, innit? I got money.
We have an urgent announcement. Pictures have just been released showing the result of white people trying to suck their teeth. Scientists agree. It's simply a black thing.
You will come and talk. Listen me. You know, say your color ungrateful. I know for your color that you know. The way you fast now people business should have better off in life, but our people business just sit down and sell like a fucking crop. But I tell you something, see. That money they want to give me now, so that must make me work thing. Because you have a little careless woman where you have out there, so you see, Leng. When me tell you something, look a red copper color sitting out, so we are talking about ungrateful. Tell her, say, the younger one can't grateful, I must be people who promote thing. Because the work when me do this thing, nobody can pay me boy your feet, here. So that little red ant scoop or something out there, so. Little loquacious characters and men, they kind of like a nincompoop where you have out there, so. We address ourselves. We don't know how to make our decency counteract our piggish mentality. They are don't perplex my tranquility. Because she's nothing but a sappy piece of cloth. Yeah, let me get to sting now, one and chat.
Me no be after. We can't pretend be in make a school.
I understand you. I forgot to say you're dirty, man. Yeah.
Nasty, right.
So all when you're gone and watch it for your leopard days, you're not being.
Me wipe up.
So that not hard.
No. Easy and beard.
No, man.
Yeah, idiot, man.
One of my virgin tell me so.
That one of your virgin.
Wipe up harder, tidy.
Can't.
Take longer.
That's why. Can't.
You have to wash out rag and a rim out and a
Wash out rag.
wash out and a rim.
Yeah, you never see a man wipe up a blood clot, sir.
Like, look, see know about it.
Yeah, you know about it.
Nasty, man. Come here, man, no one make it take longer, you know. Nobody not tell me. Them beef it tidy and beard with you.
You know, you see a beard, man?
Yeah. Just soap up and wash off.
Alright.
What you do when you are tidy?
Me just dip the rag and wipe up.
Wipe up what? Where?
Every
Possible. All like possible. Yes.
All right, possible. You know what I'm going to do? You don't know whenever buy from this blood clot shop, can you play wipe up? You nasty blood clot. Me don't want to more of a person. You know? You slap. Fucking slap, man.
Then John, you go through all of that. Tidy. You know better you just did.
But every time baby get school, you know, you hear me say, Virgin?